This art is made by sounding a shofar through software that's making images of the sound waves, and then working creatively with the results. So it starts with a sound of tekiah, which is a single sound. So all of this is the tekiah until here. Then there's the sound of shvarim, which is 3 shorter sounds. You have 1, 2, 3. Then there's a sound of truah, which is 9 very short sounds. This is the truah. And then the whole top half of the art is the tekiah gedola, the very long sound. We learn in Kabbalah that the sounds of the shofar represent states of consciousness and unconditional love.